Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in this tutorial I will show you how to create an account in Asana. So this is pretty simple, just follow my steps. First step is to go right here and click on Get Started. So go to asana.com and then simply type here your email. So type here your email or use your Google email if you want and press Continue. Now it will start signing you up, and as you can see they have emailed you a code. So go to your email and click on Verify Email. Now your email should be verified and you should be all set up and logged in Asana. So wait while it loads, and here you can write your full name and then simply type your password. So give Asana a password, upload your photo if you want and press continue. Now you can tell them about your work, so what's your role in your work, which function best describes your work, and also what do you want to use Asana for, and press continue. Now you can set up your first project. So what's something you and your team are currently working on? So let's set up tutorial project and press continue. Now as you can see it is giving you a little tutorial. So what are a few tasks that you have to do for tutorial project? So make tutorials, create thumbnails, post videos and press continue. And it is really simple, as you can see. Press continue. What layouts work best for this project? You can change this later. So just choose one from these layouts. So it can choose list, board, timeline or calendar. Choose whichever fits you the best. So let's say I will use the list for now. Continue. And here you can add your teammates. So just type your teammates' email right here to add them and click on Take Me to My project. And now you're all set up. It is really this simple. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.